Hello and good afternoon to all. My name is Prerna Singh and I'm here with my group members of BCA PPU first year batch 1, and we all are here to explain you a topic in computer architecture which is recorded under guidance of Amit Sukla sir. So let's get started. Today's our topic is various opcode field instructions. In assembly language, for smooth handling of instruction as well as data in the program, various opcode field instructions are used. They are as follows. There are three types of instructions which are used for smooth handling of program. They are DT, DM and PCI. DT stands for data transfer, DM stands for data manipulation, and PCI stands for program control instruction. Now the further slides will explain you by my group members.
My topic is data transfer movement group of instruction. As we know that during any instruction, handling data play an important role. Data or value that is kept any location or register, and as per requirement will be removed from one location to another location. Movement of data from one location to another location is known as data transfer. The mnemonics used for movement of data from one location to another location is known as data transfer instruction. M stands for memory location, R stands for register. Keyboard through input through keyboard and output through monitor. The next slide continue. Where 2 and number of combination M are source M, destination M, source M, destination R, source R, destination M, source R, destination R. Thank you.
Thank you, Akanksha. Instruction name input in, mnemonics in, meaning of for taking input through the terminal, and instruction name output out, mnemonics, and the meaning is displaying that context through the output terminal. Instruction name push and mnemonic is push. The meaning is to allocate the memory operand in the track. Instruction name pop and mnemonic is pop. Meaning of to relocate the memory operand from the stack. And fifth one is instruction name load and mnemonic is load. To load the context, the memory operand to processor register. And sixth one is instruction name store. Mnemonic is store to transfer the context accumulator. And seventh one is move. Mnemonics is move to transfer the context between the register. And last one is exchange. Mnemonics XCHG to set the contact of the location to the another location. Data manipulate group of instruction. Data manipulate instruction perform arithmetic, logic, and shiftwise operation on database on the type of operation. It is classified into the following categories. First one is arithmetical group of instruction, and second one is logical group of instruction, and third one is shift group of instruction. Now my friend started the next topic.
Arithmetic group of instructions. It consists of all arithmetical operations. Mnemonics used for arithmetic group of instructions is as follows: increment INC, decrement DEC, addition ADD, subtraction SUB, division DIV, multiplication MULT, negate NEG, exponent EXP. So my friend will next topic.
Thank you, Om. This is Roshan, and my topic is logical group of instruction. Logical group of instruction perform logical tasks. As you can see here, there are mnemonics code. These are mnemonics code. Variable mnemonics code used as a group of instruction. CLR used for clear, CLRC for clear carry, component, and logical and or for logical or. Now the next slide is XOR for exclusive or, EL for enable interrupt, DI for disable interrupt. Thank you.